go play at the amusement park.
给我吃可以。
Don't worry, the surgery was successful.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please show your support with a like and subscribe for more. In the dazzling city of Portobello, image was everything. Meet Duke and Duchess. Their colors sparkled, but their hearts were cold. But in the alleys lived Leo, a kitten whose pockets were empty, but whose heart was full.
Look, Duchess, the street riffraff is playing with garbage.
Honestly, he's so dirty he'll give the whole city fleas.
Their cruel words made Leo feel like he didn't belong. Then, a poster appeared. It was for the Pet of the Year competition. The rich kittens laughed at him. But an idea sparked in Leo's mind. Duke and Duchess walked first. Flawless, the crowd clapped for their walk with sparkling colors. Then came Leo with his head held high. Duke and Duchess performed a dance that was perfect, but passionless. Then came Leo! He used his amazing street smarts to leap and flip, and the crowd roared with excitement! Winston, incredible! But the final test is one of character. A tiny lost duckling was brought onto the stage. Duke and Duchess walked right past the sad duckling, and the crowd booed their cold hearts. Finally, it was Leo's turn. He gently walked toward the lonely duckling, and he gave the little duckling a comforting hug. Then, immediately started looking for its mother. He found her. The mother duck rushed to her baby, and the family was happily reunited. Judge Winston, while beauty and riches are nice, they are no match for a kind heart. The pet of the year is Leo! Leo won the trophy, but more importantly, he won their hearts. He shared the prize feast with all of his street friends, and they celebrated his victory together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please show your support with a like and subscribe for more.
Kittens love to bake cookies. A shadow emerges from behind. It was Scary Granny. The kittens were ready to save their cookies. Suddenly a hand appears. Kittens called for help. Granny saved the cookies. Finally, Granny found the cookies and kittens. Police arrives. Officer melted after eating cookies. Kitten Cookies saves the granny. Fog lifted and Granny opened. They live happily after together.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please show your support with a like and subscribe for more.